If you've got something exciting coming up soon, then it's just around the corner. Today we're going to look at a very timely phrase, around the corner. Have you ever looked forward to something that's about to happen soon? If so, that thing is just around the corner. Just around the corner is a perfect phrase or a perfect idiom for describing events that are imminent or almost immediate. Let's have a look at a couple of examples. Imagine the holiday season is approaching. Holiday season's becoming closer. You could say, with the holidays around the corner, everyone is getting into the festive spirit. With the holidays around the corner, everyone is getting into the festive spirit. And this means that the holidays are happening very soon and everyone is in a good mood. They are excited for the holidays. With the holidays around the corner, everyone is getting into the festive spirit. Another example is about New Year. The New Year is just around the corner and so many people are making new resolutions. The New Year is around the corner and so many people are making resolutions. And this indicates that New Year is imminent. New Year is happening very, very soon. And many people are making resolutions. A resolution is, a New Year resolution, you probably know, is to promise yourself that you're going to do something to make yourself better. It's a New Year resolution. So let's have a look at how you can use this in IELTS. In an IELTS speaking task, you might describe something that's about to happen soon. For example, the deadline is just around the corner, so we need to finalise the work. The deadline is just around the corner, so we need to finalise the work. And this will show the examiner that you can describe events that are happening soon, that events are imminent. The deadline is happening soon, it's just around the corner, so we need to finalise the work. We need to complete the work. And in everyday conversations, you might talk about upcoming events. You could say, summer is just around the corner. I cannot wait for the sunshine. 100%. Summer is just around the corner. It's going to happen soon. I can't wait for the sunshine. So using this phrase not only makes your English sound much more natural, but also adds a lively touch to your language. So let's have a look at some synonyms and some antonyms. Synonyms are similar expressions for around the corner. It might include coming soon or imminent. And they're very, very similar, but around the corner adds a much more visual and idiomatic expression. On the other hand, we've got antonyms, the opposites, might include phrases like far off or a long way away. And obviously these expressions describe events that are not happening soon. They're far off, they're a long way away. So next time you want to describe something that is about to happen, remember to say, it's around the corner. Great way to impress listeners and add some flair to your English skills.